everybody. I'm Chef Poppy. Welcome back to the Fox Den Films.
Hello, I'm Chef Ollie. We're making cookies, not regular cookies, not chocolate chip. We're making a special kind, Funfetti cookies. Chef Ben. We're gonna pre-measure
All our ingredients. It makes it a little easier. We need 3 cups. This is a half cup. So that means we have to do 6 scoops. We have to do 6 scoops.
Oh yeah, math.
And oh yeah, I almost forgot. Today we have our special guest again, Laila.
Yes, Poppy. I can't say hello. Hello.
Oh, hello. Chef Benji just poured it in, so now he gets to do one more. Can I help?
Let me help flatten it.
Now he's gonna level it out.
Like this. 1, 2.
First, we're gonna finish pre-measuring our dry ingredients.
You're gonna need 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 1. Don't forget to flatten it. Like this.
You can use your finger or a knife if you prefer.
Finally, it's Benji's turn to measure.
Ooh-wee!
Now he's gonna add 1 cup of
Cream of tart.
that's weird.
Now it's time to prepare our wet ingredients.
Benji's gonna add 2 sticks of butter, and I'm gonna add 2 3/4 of sugar.
Can I help you, Benj? Let's put this here. Put it in. Now you're gonna mix the butter and sugar.
Don't forget to
Lock
lock
it
it and set it to
to a-
Now's the time to taste the butter and sugar because there's no raw egg yet.
And it's not good for you to taste it with raw egg. So I'm gonna, but don't eat all of it.
or you won't have any Funfetti cookies.
Time's up. No more.
We just taste tested, so now we're gonna add the eggs. Make sure you don't eat the batter after
You add these eggs. Now it's starting to look like cookies. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Yummy.
Well, it smells good, but it tastes so.
Now we are going to whisk all our dry ingredients together.
Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
Let's do it together.
Now we're gonna add our
Delicious sprinkles. You can move it to another fork. As long as you hold the thing down. After you have mixed all your cookies, you're going to put them on the sheet. We're going to shake it right now.
Before you start anything, you should wash your hands with soap and water.
Now we're going to add our balls to the sheet. Do not smush them. These are not cookie cutter cookies, so do not do cookie cutters.
And by the way, don't eat the dough. We're gonna have a lot of cookies.
Now you're gonna put your cookies in the fridge for about an hour. Finally, 10 days later. No, I'm just kidding. 2 hours later. Now we're gonna put the cookies in the oven.
Here's a little joke for you. Why was our dad going bonkers? Because he was going bakers. That's a dad joke, okay? You're gonna have an adult preheat the oven to 350. Then you're gonna put them in the oven for 12 minutes.
Yeah.
See you soon.
The cookies are out of the oven.
Now it's time to eat. There you go. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
We just wanted to say a quick thank you to our sponsors, which are
Beatrice
Beatrice and Luca, Grammy Kay, Grandma Janice, Grandpa Dooku, and Grandma Dooku. And our behind the scenes, our dad and mom, Yam and Jared. Thanks for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.
We had to remove Chef Benji. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it through.
We're gonna pull this button and this button, and we're gonna put it. No. I want to put it. No, where's it? I don't need help.
Now?
I don't need help. Hey, let's taste it. So
No.
Give me a toy.
Getting a little messy.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
I touched it. Benji.
Ooh, yeah. That did not go.
I love it.